dancer Chad Torrington, popularly known as Global Bob, has put on his philanthropic hat to donate over 50 ventilators and an oxygen plant to the hospital in India. Chad told EPRIME that he was left heartbroken after hearing the news of the death toll in India due to COVID-19 and decided to team up with the dancers in the country.
How can I give back to India? How can I help them? And immediately the thought came to me that why not conduct a online workshop, since the students there love me so much, and instead of me keeping the money, just give it away, just give away 100% of the money. So my student, her crew is called Smash Them Crew, and I contacted her and I said, listen, I want to do an online workshop for all the students in India and make it free.
Global Bob's efforts raised over 30,000 Indian rupees from the fundraising workshop. All proceeds have been donated to the COVID-19 emergency appeal to secure the 50 ventilators. Now, the international dance instructor is currently in Switzerland getting ready for a scaled-down tour due to the pandemic, and he spoke to EPRIME on what he is seeing as the entertainment industry opens up.
Since April of this year, everything has been opening. I just came back from a massive event in Russia. I will be embarking on a Europe tour, a mini Europe tour, Brussels to Germany to France and Switzerland including. So the protocols that are in place are that they have distance depending on the studio size. They are very strict with mask on entry, and you have to be dancing with the mask as well. Also, there's a distance, you have to have good distancing. So those are the protocols that are in place. A lot of what you find now too, because it's summertime, a lot of persons are tending to go outside, so they are more keeping outdoor events now.
Global Bob, sought after in Europe as an authentic dancehall dance instructor, has toured and conducted workshops all across the world. Newcomer Olivia Rodrigo is Billboard Staffer's top pick for 2021, where the staffers gave an interesting preamble saying that from last year, June until now, the weekends after hours and Dua Lipa's future nostalgia have dominated. And with no surprise, based on the introduction, when teen newcomer Olivia Rodrigo reigned in the #1 spot with her heartbroken single, Driver debut album, Sour. Now the second spot went to the viral video and classic sound of Leave the Door Open by Silk Sonic, Bruno Mars and Anderson, boasting over 270 million views on YouTube. And with some surprise, The Weeknd could not be denied the top 3 spot, as his remix with Ariana Grande on Save Your Tears was given the recognition it deserves. I'm Daedran reporting for EPRIME.